Welcome to Better English for You.
Alarm and wake up.
Olivia, the alarm is ringing.
I hear it.
Turn it off.
You turn it off.
It is your alarm.
Oh, you are right.
Mine is the phone alarm. So, turn it off.
Fine. Done.
Thank you.
What time is it?
6 o'clock.
So early?
School starts at 8.
I know that.
Then get up.
5 more minutes.
No more minutes.
Please?
No. Up now.
You are mean.
I am practical.
Same thing.
Not really.
Whatever.
Are you getting up?
Yes, yes.
Good.
Happy now?
Very happy.
Where are my glasses?
On the table.
Which table?
The nightstand.
Found them.
Great.
Bathroom rush.
Daniel, hurry up.
I am almost done.
You said that already.
2 more minutes.
That is too long.
Be patient.
I need to shower.
Use Mom's bathroom.
Mom is using it.
Then wait.
This is not fair.
Life is not fair.
You are impossible.
And you are impatient.
Just hurry.
Okay, coming out.
Finally.
It is all yours.
About time.
You are welcome.
I did not say thanks.
You should.
Fine, thanks.
Better.
Now go away.
So rude.
I need privacy.
Okay, okay.
Close the door.
I am closing it.
Thank you.
You are welcome again.
Stop talking.
You stop.
Breakfast preparation.
What do you want for breakfast?
I do not know.
We have eggs.
How do you make them?
Scrambled or fried?
Scrambled, please.
Okay. How many?
2 eggs.
Same for me.
Can you cook them?
Of course I can.
Since when?
I learned last month.
Really?
Yes, really.
Who taught you?
Dad taught me.
That is cool.
I think so too.
What else can you make?
Pancakes and omelets.
Impressive.
Thank you.
Maybe make pancakes tomorrow?
Maybe I will.
Is there coffee?
In the pot.
Still hot?
Should be.
Great.
Get me a cup too.
Black or with milk?
With milk.
And sugar?
1 spoon.
Here you go.
Perfect. Thanks.
Getting bags ready. Where is my backpack?
Where did you leave it?
I cannot remember.
Think hard.
Maybe in my room?
Go check.
Not there.
The living room?
Let we look. Found it.
Where was it?
Behind the sofa.
How did it get there?
I do not know.
You are so messy.
I am not messy.
Yes, you are.
Sometimes only.
All the time.
Stop exaggerating.
I am not.
Let us not fight.
Fine.
What do I need today?
Check your schedule.
Math, English, and science.
Pack those books.
I am packing them now.
Do not forget your homework.
It is in my folder.
Good.
What about you?
I have history and art.
That sounds fun.
Art is fun.
History too?
Not really.
Walking to school.
We need to walk faster.
I am walking fast.
Not fast enough.
My bag is heavy.
What is inside?
All my books.
All of them?
I was not sure which ones.
That is why you check.
I know.
Here, give me some books.
Really?
Yes, really.
Thank you.
Which ones do you not need?
The geography book
What else?
and the art book.
I will carry those.
You are the best.
I know.
So humble.
Always.
Look, there is our friend,
Which friend?
Sarah,
Where?
across the street.
Oh, yes, I see her.
Should we call her?
She is wearing headphones.
She will not hear us.
We will see her at school.
True. Arriving at school gate. We made it on time.
Just barely.
Better late than never.
We are not late.
I know.
Where is your classroom?
Building 2, room 205.
That is upstairs.
Where is yours?
Building 1, room 101.
That is close.
Very convenient.
When is lunch?
12:30.
Same for me.
Should we eat together?
Yes, please.
Where should we meet?
The cafeteria?
Or the courtyard?
Courtyard is nicer.
Okay, courtyard then.
See you there.
Do not be late.
I will not.
Promise?
I promise.
Okay, good.
Have a good morning.
You too.
Bye.
Bye, Olivia.
Lunchtime meeting.
Olivia, over here.
I see you.
I saved us a spot.
Under the tree?
Yes, it is shady.
Perfect.
What did you bring for lunch?
A sandwich and an apple.
What kind of sandwich?
Chicken and lettuce.
Sounds delicious.
What about you?
Pasta salad.
Did you make it?
Mom made it.
Can I try some?
Sure.
This is good.
I know.
Want some of my sandwich?
Yes, please.
Here.
Thanks.
How was your morning?
Pretty boring.
Why boring?
History class was long.
What did you learn?
About ancient Rome.
That sounds interesting.
Not the way he teaches.
Who?
Mr. Thompson.
Oh, him.
You know him?
Everyone knows him.
He talks so slowly.
I heard that. After lunch break. What class do you have next?
Physical education.
Lucky you.
Why lucky?
You get to play sports.
What do you have?
Mathematics.
That is not bad.
I hate math.
Why?
It is too difficult.
You just need practice.
Easy for you to say.
I can help you later.
Really?
Of course.
When?
After school?
At home?
Yes, at home.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
You are a good brother.
I try.
I need to go now.
Where?
To my locker.
What do you need?
My math book.
Hurry up.
I am hurrying.
See you after school.
Wait for me at the gate.
I will.
Do not leave without me.
I will not.
End of school day.
There you are.
Sorry I am late.
What took so long?
The teacher kept us.
Why?
She was explaining homework.
For how long?
10 extra minutes.
That is annoying.
Very annoying.
Are you ready to go home?
Yes, so ready.
Me too.
I am exhausted.
Long day?
Very long.
Mine too.
Should we walk or take the bus?
How do you feel?
Too tired to walk.
Bus then.
Do we have money?
I have some.
How much?
$5.
That is enough.
Let us go to the bus stop.
Lead the way.
This way.
I am following.
The bus should come soon.
I hope so.
Arriving home.
Finally home.
I am so tired.
Me too.
Let us rest first.
Good idea.
Put your bag down.
Where should I put it?
By the door.
Okay, done.
Are you hungry?
A little bit.
Want a snack?
What do we have?
cookies and fruit.
I want cookies.
How many?
3.
Not too many.
3 is not many.
If you say so.
What about you?
I will have fruit.
Which fruit?
A banana.
Healthy choice.
Always.
Should we do homework now?
After we rest.
How long?
30 minutes?
Perfect.
Set a timer.
On my phone?
Yes.
Done.
Good.
Homework time. Time for homework.
I know.
What should I start with?
The hardest subject.
That is math.
Then do math first.
I need your help.
What is the problem?
Problem number 5.
Let me see.
I do not understand it.
It is about fractions.
I hate fractions.
They are easy.
Not for me.
Let me explain.
Okay, I am listening.
First, find the common denominator,
What is that?
the bottom number.
Oh, right.
Then add the top numbers.
Just add them?
Yes, exactly.
Like this?
Perfect.
I did it.
See? Not hard.
Thanks to you.
You are smart, Olivia.
Really?
Really.
Thank you.
Now finish the rest.
I will try. Dinner and bedtime.
Dinner smells good.
What is it?
Chicken and rice.
My favorite.
Mine too.
Is Mom home?
She just arrived.
Great.
Set the table.
How many plates?
3.
Mom, Dad, and us?
Dad is working late.
So, just 3?
Correct.
Done.
Good job.
I am starving.
Let us eat.
This is delicious.
Very good.
I love Mom's cooking.
The best.
What time is it?
7:30.
Already?
Time flies.
Should we clean up?
Yes, we should.
I will wash.
I will dry.
Teamwork.
Always.
Are you tired now?
Very tired.
Me too.
Bedtime soon.
What time?
9 o'clock?
That is early.
We have school tomorrow.
True.
Good night, Olivia.
Good night, Daniel.
Sleep well.
You too.
See you tomorrow.
Bright and early.
Unfortunately.
Haha.
Sweet dreams.
You too.